Hello everyone, today we are talking about this sponsor product from Delta. This is single handle pull down kitchen faucet. This is really cool unit. You can see here it looks really nice. I really like the way they designed this. You can see this, it looks really cool. Let me just show you guys closer. So over here you can see it has really nice arch. You can see it just goes just like this. It is not in like it's not too high, not too short. It's in the mid-range, I would say. So this is what you get. Look at this, it's really nice. This shape, I really like it. And over here you have this pull out sprayer. You can just pull it out, spray everywhere. And you have this nice feature here. You have all these rubber piece you can easily clean just with your finger. So the operation is very smooth. Looks like you can see here you can easily change. So once it's done, you can see there is two magnets here. It will just go back inside and it will hold it in its place, and it's not just easy to just go by itself. You just need to pull it down. That is really cool. And over here the handlebar looks really cool. You can see it is kind of thick. As cool feature, you can see very easy smooth operation, opening and closing and turning the hot water and cold water feels very smooth. And the top can rotate 360, but you cannot just keep doing this constantly because it's gonna tangle the hose. So you have to just undo whatever you did, so counterclockwise and otherwise around. And over here you have the hose. It comes already attached to it. So if you are going to use as a single hole, you can do so. You would just use this piece and just install it right here. So you would just put this here and just install that way. But if you have already existing 3-hole settings, you have this matching plate which will just go inside, and you would use the middle hole and use this, and it will just cover. And on the bottom you can see it has nice rubber here that it will just prevent the water leaking. So you have everything you need for the installation. This is the weight for the pull down. It will just go inside. You would just unscrew this and just place it inside and just screw it, and you are ready to go. Overall looks really nice. I really like the way they make this shape, and the thickness of it looks and feels really high quality. I hope you guys will like and enjoy it. Thank you for watching.